Hey guys, we're in Greenwich Village and we're gonna get some British tea. To get to this area of the village, Greenwich Avenue, you can take the A, C, E, or L train and get off at 8th Avenue, 14th Street. We're headed to Tea and Sympathy now, where we're going to get some British tea and also speak with the store owner, Nikki Perry. We not only photograph small businesses, but we also always try to find out a bit about the history of the shop. Tea and Sympathy on Greenwich Avenue was founded in late 1990 as a small tea room cafe serving British tea along with traditional British comfort food including shepherd's pie, bangers and mash, Welsh rarebit, scones, and puddings. The walls are lined with English memorabilia, photos of the owner's family, and notes and gifts from longtime patrons, including Ginger Baker and the late Dr. Oliver Sacks. Their afternoon tea for two for $35 includes 9 finger sandwiches, 2 scones with clotted cream and strawberry or raspberry jam, 2 cakes, and tea for 2. So Nikki, when did you found this business, Tea and Sympathy?
December the 23rd, 1990 was the day we opened.
And what made you decide to open the tea shop?
Well, there's nothing English here, and the tea is appalling. And I just thought, well, there is an absolute market for it. There are the Pidgey Tips, Typhoon, but the biggest seller of all now is the Yorkshire tea. Very good, amazing tea. And once Americans have drunk that, there's no going back.
How do you select what items you're going to carry?
Well, a lot of it is just in your face British, that any British person would know what it is, but for the grocery stuff.
Like what you grew up with?
Exactly.
Nikki and her husband Sean also co-own 2 adjacent shops, Carry On Tea and Sympathy, a carry-out grocery shop selling a wide variety of British teas, candies, teapots, and china, and a Salt and Battery, a fish and chip shop. Rising costs, including a combined rent of $28,000 a month for all 3 shops, has left Nikki struggling to keep the businesses alive. Scone mix, so you can make your own scones. Is that a recipe that you developed?
That's the exact, yes sir, it is. And that's brand new. We've only just launched that about a week ago because so many people want the scones to eat, next week, and you can't buy them to eat next week. They have to be eaten that day.
Now we are having the blackcurrant iced tea.
Yeah.
What tea is that from?
It's a really, really good black tea.
Oh, great! Thanks for the iced tea.
No worries.
A Salt and Battery, Nikki's fish and chip shop, sells only the freshest and finest quality fish, including cod, haddock, sole, and whiting. Their fish chips and desserts are all fried in the best vegetable oil, which is trans fat free. In the comments section for the video, we posted a link to Nikki's GoFundMe page, where she's trying to raise funds to help her pay for the rising costs of running the 3 businesses. It's a really beautiful day in New York, and we got some delicious iced tea to have. Three Lives Company Booksellers on the corner of West 10th and Waverly Place near 7th Avenue South was founded in 1978 by three women. This small, independent bookshop has been owned by Toby Cox since 2001. We love this bookshop so much that we included our photo of it in our storefront too, a history preserved book, and interviewed Toby, who shared with us that his bookstore exists for the reader. The reader is always who I'm thinking of when I stock my shelves. Magnolia Bakery, located on the corner of Bleecker Street and West 11th, was founded by Alyssa Torrey in 1996. It is decorated in 1950s decor and features old-fashioned baked goods made from scratch and baked in small batches throughout the day using only the finest ingredients and no preservatives. Its simple vanilla or chocolate cupcakes topped with buttercream icing in chocolate, vanilla, and pastel colors became so popular that long lines soon formed to purchase them. When it was featured in HBO's popular show Sex and the City, the store's popularity further increased and became a neighborhood hotspot and tourist destination. We watched a 3-layer lemon cake being made, which is filled with tart lemon cream and topped with lemon meringue buttercream. So for Magnolia, we got the signature vanilla cupcake with sprinkles. We hope you enjoyed our video and want to invite all of our viewers to attend the Village Preservation's annual meeting and awards on June 12th at 6:30 p.m. at the auditorium at the New School on 66 West 12th Street, where Tea and Sympathy will be honored with an award for its outstanding and special contribution to Greenwich Village. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to highlight more places and small businesses which make every neighborhood unique. Thanks, guys.